Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulil kareem. Amma ba'd. Respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Reem Khan. I study in 4th standard. My topic is I want to become a teacher. I would like to share my dream with you today. When I grow up, I want to become a teacher. I believe that teachers are superheroes. They enable us to learn and grow. I love the idea of teaching others. I will make a positive impact on the minds of individuals. I see teaching as planting seeds of knowledge and watching them grow into something amazing. As a teacher, I want to be a mentor, a guide, and a friend to my students. I believe that one day I will come back to my school as a successful teacher. May Allah Ta'ala give barakat in my studies and help me to achieve my goal. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.